Good everyone. This is your gentleman guy, Engineer Olaviqs Igbalaye, one of the Bybit community keeper. Quickly, I wanted to show you the simple way to apply trailing while trading on Bybit, and I am using this our trading account to training account to demonstrate trailing this morning. Okay, now as you can see this order it has peaked, and in negative you can see this, that is minus 0.38%. That's one of the signals shared yesterday. And now we want to enter trailing. Already when you enter any trade in which you might have been given your take profit and stop loss. So now this is the price present, the price you enter. This is market price right now. I entered this at 0 just to demonstrate the training. Now so, and you want the market, you wanted to go out of the market at 0.62 or 0.618 or 17, and the stop loss now is 0.65 or 0.42. Now this is where to go. Come here, that's modify. Click on modify. So when you click on that, this is the initial take profit. As you can see, that is 0.58. That's take profit. The stop loss is 0.66, right? Now the next thing now is, once you approach a profit, now the market has gone to 0.559 something, that is about to hit 0.8, and once it hits 0.8, it will trigger off and it will sell your market at this pending limit price. So what you do is this: your stop loss is this price, 0.6, right? And already you are on this 0.59. You are waiting for the market to drop down to 0.58. So what you do is, you come here, you remove 0.58, leave it empty. Leave it open. When you leave it open, and immediately the market returns down to like one market returns to like 1.56, and you are expected to, the first TP was is 0. I'm sorry for that. Is 0.58. Is that clear? 0.58 is your TP1, in which you put, this is your stop loss, right? And you leave the stop loss while you removed take profit at 0.58. Now, but when you get back to the system, the price has dipped to 0.56. You know, that 56 now is your TP2 or TP3. Now, instead of allowing the system to trace back, retest back to 0.8, meanwhile, at this 0.56, you are seeing your profit at 100% in your favor. So what you do now, and you don't want to, oh, what about if I just leave this market now and within few minutes it retrace back and all this 100% and lost it back to 30%, and you want to be on safer side and you still don't want to cut your trade at or negative. You understand? So instead of closing the trade now at 100%, of which, just like what happened to LDO from 1.05 moved to 1.9, 1.19. From 1.19, send another candle to 129. From 129, retest back to 124. From 124, a little bit retest and move to 145, 1.45. That's huge. That's big. So in that case now, trailing will be the best option for you to be in much more profit. And how do you go about that? Now, this is your stop loss. Is that clear? This is your stop loss. Now, your take profit, TP1 is this. I told you, I said remove this. Remove your TP. Don't set any TP. When you don't set TP, but leave your stop loss. Leave your stop loss. So if the search market go against you, it will take you out of the system with this price. And how much will be how much will go against you? That means you'll be seeing $2.6 off, which is, it will be 56% of my market, my order, my trading. So now you leave this. Now when you leave this, when markets now go below 0.58, remember the TP1 was 0.58. Now it has touched 0.56, as I said earlier. So you will now come here that, okay, the next market, I don't know where the system will, the market will stop retesting, going back, because this is shorting. Now you now come here. It has here now, we have, instead of where our target here was 0.58 before, but we have it now at 0.56, which is TP2 or 3, right? Now our stop loss here is what we'll now deal with, we'll now work on. Now as you have 0.66 as stop loss, because we did it shorting, we short market. Now you cancel it, come here, change this one 0.66 back to your TP1, 0.58 is what you put here. Leave this here open. When you leave it open, the next thing, the next price, now you've done that here by editing this price to 5.8. When you do that to 5.8, that's your stop loss, right? Now your sorry 5. Yes, immediately you are, because I'm not on profit yet, so you change this to 5.8. You understand that? So here now, the take profit now will be, instead of 0.58 initially. You can put this at is 0.55 is 0.52. Maybe that's the next TP. As you can see now, here, can you see instead of negative here, initially we have like $2 negative here, but because the price we've shifted the price below this the stop loss was 0.666, in which I will be on negative of 0.2, right? But now it will be profit now. Can you just see that? So that means if the price price target TP doesn't touch 0.52, it will come back to 0.58. I will still be in profit. Is that clear? So if the price continue to go down, in which I enter, this is my entry price for shorting, is 0.63 was my entry price. So, and I did shorting. Anything above is 0.63, it will be against me. That's negative. But anything below is 0.63 is my it will be my favor. Is that clear, everyone? Now, anything below is 0.62, you know, it has changed now, because that means the market has keep going down, of which I entered the market twice. After the first one, I set another one, buy limit for me at this price, and pick another one at this price when markets trigger to this price. As you can see, it was 0.63 before. It has changed to 0.62 now. That is how it will continue. So now, meaning as market goes down, I'll be in profit. So the first TP was this 0.58. That's my take profit. That is from 0.6 so down to 0.58. Sell this market for me. Kick me out of the market. Is that clear? And the second one, when it goes to 0.56, 54, 52, like that till even before 5.6, maybe before 5.2, at 5.6 or 5.5, I'm at 100% of my money. But what of in a situation when the market touch 0.55 and pull back to the same level I bought it? So in order not to allow the market to go against me, of which I will be a fool to allow market to come down here. You know, if I did not sell, I bought it at this price, 0.63, and I speak to system. I mean, I order system to sell for me at 0.66 for stop loss. Now, when market speaks and I've seen it in profit, and the profit now has gone to 0.58, so for me now to leave this stop loss at 0.66, now I will quickly move my stop loss from 0.66, in which it will be negative, back to 0.58. That 0.58 is my first TP, and of which the market has gone down to 0.55 or 0.56. So, and in which somebody said, maybe from the call, the signal given to us said the last TP is 0.30, is 0.33. You know, 0.33 is far from 0.55. Okay, don't let me say now. Let me use trailing system. Now, the trailing system is here. I will move my first TP 0.58 down here. So when markets pull back, instead of going down, the system retest started bullish. Once the system touch is zero, the trade it is 0.58, it will kick me out of the system, and I will still be in profit of $3.4 in what? In 75% of my money. And here I will leave this place empty, open. So if I leave it open, the next thing is maybe market goes to 0.50. 0.50. I will leave this place open. As I said there, as I mentioned earlier, I will leave it open. That is my take profit. My take profit, I will now apply stop loss. So my stop loss now, market has hit 0.50. Remember, the first TP was 0.58, 0.56, 0.55, 0.52. Now, market, I saw it at 0.50. I will quickly apply stop loss. Adjust. You click on modify, come here, click on your stop loss, adjust your stop loss back to 0.55. Remember, I have like $4 profit. Then here before was 4 point something dollars, but right now I will, if system pull back to 0.55, that is my stop loss. It will hit 0.55 as my stop loss and kick me out of the market. Instead of being in loss, I'll be in profit of 55.7 US dollar, $5.77, and the percentage of that for my trade is 120%. So like that, if market was bearish market and I continue like this is how I'll be moving my stop loss closely till the last one was 3, right? And now I saw it at 0.45. I will quickly adjust my stop loss to 0.48. When I did that, just come here and see. Can you see? Now my profit has increased to $11. The percentage will be 230%. So now your TP here, you might leave it open, or if you don't want to be the greedy type, as you can see that the system continue going down and you might not dare, just come here, set your TP, the last TP. Now the market is moving towards your favor now. Set TP 0.3. That's the last price. When you set it at, because sometimes the system can just flash, go to that TP 0.30 and kick you and pull back. It will never come back to that 0.30. So quickly set your TP here. When you set your TP, what will be your profit? This is your profit, the final profit, $25. $25 and 520% of your money. So here you can now set here, instead of 0.40, in case maybe the system refuses to touch 0.30 and pull back, you now set your stop loss maybe back to 0.40, and that is, I think this is clear to you. Please, for more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell notification in case we drop a new video to watch. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Never, ever give up. There'll be times in your life you'll want